In this video, you will learn about daily use action verbs and activities. Dust electronics. Any tips for cleaning electronic screens? I dust electronics during my cleaning routine. Wash windows. What solution do you use for window cleaning? I wash windows twice a year. Clean appliances. Which appliance is the trickiest to clean? I clean appliances on Saturdays. Wipe mirrors. Do you use a specific cleaner for mirrors? I wipe mirrors after showering. Empty fridge. How often do you clean your fridge? I empty the fridge before grocery shopping. Organize closet. Is your closet neatly arranged? I organize my closet each season. Clean the oven. Do you use oven cleaning products or homemade solutions? I clean the oven monthly. Dust lampshades. What's your favorite room to clean? I dust lampshades every other week. Disinfect doorknobs. Has your cleaning routine changed due to recent events? I disinfect doorknobs weekly. Wash the curtains. Do you have curtains or blinds in your home? I wash curtains every 3 months. Clean baseboard. How often do you notice dust on your baseboards? I clean baseboards monthly. Polish furniture. What type of furniture polish do you use? I polish furniture once a month. Wash car. Do you prefer hand washing or taking your car to a car wash? I wash my car on weekends. Sweep porch. Do you have any outdoor plants on your porch? I sweep the porch twice a week. Dust ceiling fan. Do you use a ladder to reach high places? I dust ceiling fans monthly. If you like our videos, it's requested to do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.